Little backstory real quick. I was an affiliate marketer prior to April 30th is when I said yes to this opportunity. It's the Learn and Earn Profits Online opportunity. It's a digital course that I own, and I'm able to market it and get 100% of that profit. And the reason I switched over is because as an affiliate, you're only earning part of that commission. And I was working really hard and I wasn't really structuring my business exactly how I wanted to, but I knew that it was possible. And then I had a good friend of mine reach out to me and she was like, I found this course. It's already created for you. All the hard work of creating your own digital course is done. It has master resale rights connected to it, meaning you can grab it, you can brand it, make it your own and resell it if you choose to. Again, it is a digital course and it's education that teaches high income skills. Okay. So I said yes to that. But what it has done for me and what it can do for you is I'm no longer living paycheck to paycheck. That financial stress that I carried around all the time is actually dissolving. And I'm able to do things without really thinking about, do I have enough money? And that, guys, is just mind-blowing to me. The other thing that it has allowed me to do, I think since I joined this, this week I'm going on vacation and it will be the fourth vacation that I've gone on that this business has paid for 100%. Just because I said yes to an opportunity, just because I was like, I'm going to get rid of all the excuses. I'm going to learn how to do this. I'm going to show up every day. I'm going to take action. I'm going to, apply the skills. And I've learned so many skills from this course that I'm now able to offer multiple services and help people do the same thing. So I am just really excited and I want to share with you what I do here online and ways you can make money online because there's a ton of different ways. But again, if you are new and you are on the fence, I want to let you know, guys, I know it's scary. I know it's scary to be here on video. I know it's scary to talk and hear yourself talk and you're afraid you're going to fail and what your friends and family are going to think. But you know what? You need to do you. You need to do you so you can change your life. And I promise you, after you get used to it and more comfortable with these videos, it gets easier. Okay? It gets easier and you will start making sales. And at that point, you'll be like, I am so glad that I saw that girl on TikTok and she was talking about how to make money online and I said yes to her opportunity.